Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates.
Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Let's start. Kulbhushan Jadhav was sentenced to death by Pakistan military court in which of the following case? Blasphemy, espionage, hacking or theft? Answer is B, espionage. Kulbhushan Jadhav hails from the state of Maharashtra and he is an ex-commander in Indian Navy. He was found guilty of spying and sentenced to death by Pakistan military court in 2017. Pakistan government alleged that Kulbhushan Jadhav was arrested in Pak province of Baluchistan on charges of spying for India's intelligence agency RAW, whereas Indian Foreign Ministry claims that he had been kidnapped in 2016 from the country Iran and not from Pakistan. Currently the case is in International Court of Justice. Remember the headquarters of ICJ, very important, previously asked, Hague in Netherlands. India requested the court to annul the verdict. Annul means no longer the judgment passed by the Pakistan is legally valid or recognized, and direct Pakistan to set free Kulbhushan Jadhav on the basis of review and recommendation. He is Kulbhushan Jadhav. RBI has announced that it would transfer how many crores to centre as interim surplus? 20,000 crore, 25,000 crore, 28 or 30,000 crore? The answer is C, 28,000 crore. RBI has announced that it would transfer 28,000 crore to centre as interim surplus for the half the year ended December 2018. Now, this is the second successive year that the central bank is transferring the interim surplus to the government. The government had been putting pressure on the central bank to transfer more funds from the contingency reserves, and recently a panel headed by the former RBI Governor Bimal Jalan had been formed to review the economic capital framework of the bank. Remember this point, very important. Now this will take the centre's total receipts from RBI as surplus transfer in 2018 to 19 to 68,000 crore. As earlier, the central bank has transferred 40,000 crore in 2017 to 18. World Day of Social Justice is observed every year on February 19th, February 20, Feb 21 or Feb 22. The answer is B, February 20th. Every year on this day, World Day of Social Justice is celebrated. A Social Equality Justice Day is a day recognizing the need to promote efforts to tackle issues such as poverty, exclusion and unemployment. Social justice is an underlying principle for peaceful and prosperous coexistence within and among nations. The 2019 theme, remember, important. If you want peace and development, work for social justice. Which of the following city to host 79th session of Indian History Congress? Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata or Bhopal? The answer is D, Bhopal. The Congress government in Madhya Pradesh has decided to host 79th Indian History Congress at Barkatullah University from February 26th. So remember the university name also, it's in Madhya Pradesh. The Indian History Congress is the largest professional and academic body of Indian historians with over 10,000 members, and this was established in the year 1935. According to the 2018 Global Go-To Think Tank Index report, The Hindu has ranked at which position? 33rd, 44th, 55th or 66th? Answer is A, 33rd. The Hindu Center for Politics and Public Policy has been ranked at 33rd position in the top think tanks in China, India, Japan and Republic of Korea category by 2018 Global Go-To Think Tank Index report. This report has been published by Think Tanks and Civil Societies Program, the Lauder Institute, University of Pennsylvania. Who is the current Chief Minister of Puducherry? Kiran Bedi, Narayanasamy, Rangasamy or P. Shanmugam? The answer is B. Narayanasamy. Puducherry, formerly known as Pondicherry, is a union territory in India. It was formed out of 4 exclaves of the former French India. Now, these were the French colonies earlier, namely Pondicherry, Karikal, Mahe and Yanam. Now, these are the 4 districts in Puducherry. Remember, important. The Chief Minister of Puducherry, V. Narayanasamy, was staging a dharna in front of the assembly, which entered its 6th day on Monday in conflict with the Lieutenant Governor Kiran Bedi. Who among the following is the ex-president of Maldives arrested for money laundering? Mohammad Nasheed, Abdullah Yamin, Ibrahim Soli or Mahathir Mohamad? The answer is B. Abdullah Yamin is the ex-president of Maldives arrested for the money laundering. The current president of Maldives is Ibrahim Soli. Abdullah Yamin was arrested, followed a preliminary hearing into the charge that he had taken bribes amounting to $1.5 million ahead of his re-election bid. In December 2018, the court had frozen his local bank accounts holding $6.5 million. Who won the Laureus World Sportswoman of the Year award? Vinesh Phogat, Simone Biles, Simona Halep, Angelique Kerber? The answer is B. Simone Biles won the Laureus World Sportswoman of the Year award. Laureus Sportsman of the Year award was backed by Novak Djokovic of Serbia. He is currently the world number 1 in men's singles tennis and current champion in Australian Open 2019. Simone Ariana Biles is an American artistic gymnast and she is the 2016 Olympic individual all-rounder. Goal for Tiger Woods won the Comeback Award, while tennis player Naomi Osaka won the Laureus Breakthrough of the Year award. Let's see the question for the day. Asia's largest Aero India Air Show 2019 is scheduled from 20th to 24th of February in which of the following city? Chennai, Mumbai, Lucknow or Bengaluru? Mention your answers in the comment section. And recent update is that 2 Surya Kiran jets crashed during rehearsal for the Aero India 2019 and one of the Indian Air Force pilot killed in this accident. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Which of the following West Indies player to retire from one-day international cricket after 2019 World Cup? Jason Holder, Carlos Brathwaite, Shannon Gabriel or Chris Gale? The answer is D. Chris Gale, as rightly answered by Amulya Krishna, Mallesh Myakala, Indravadan Solanki and Bishal Roy. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. Now, Chris Gale full name is Christopher Henry Gale and he holds the record of smashing the first century in T20 internationals. In 2015, Chris Gale became the first man to hit a double 100 in a World Cup match, and the Jamaican is only batsman to have a triple 100s in Test, double 100 in ODIs and 100 in T20 international. Quote for the day: I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying. Now, this was the quote said by the famous Michael Jordan. Recently celebrated his birthday. He is former American basketball player and one of the greatest basketball players of all the times. He missed thousands of shots and lost so many games, and he failed over and over in his life, but he never gave up, and that's the reason he was successful. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.